Thinking as you please. I'm just here wondering, why would you wanna pick it up from my last goodbye? Did you forget the words that she said last time? I'm struggling with my pride, cause you're on my mind pretty much all the time. Should I let this slide? If you're over it, why'd you let me take you home? If you're over it, then why'd you stay until the morning? Crossing all lines you made, it's clear to me that you're not really over it. You're not helping me get over you're just turning it on and off. Cut me loose instead of leaving me in the dark. It's getting old, make up your mind, yes or no, black and white. Yeah, cause if you're over it, why'd you let me take you home? If you're over it, then why'd you stay until the
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants shall follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his designated representatives will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system.
We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. At around 5:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, there were many reports of crystal spreading all over the world. Many major cities across the world has been seen turning into crystal. Many buildings, cars, trucks, animals, plants has been seen turning into crystal. It is believed that crystal will spread all over the world within the next 2 hours. There is absolutely nothing to do to stop this situation from escalating any further. At this time, you are advised to gather anyone you have, such as your family members, friends, loved ones, or anything that makes you feel happy, and await your final moments on this fading planet. Quote, John 3:16. For God so loved the world, that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes him shall not perish, but have eternal life. We will now conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with the national anthem. Please stand by, as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system.